For today's soap, I'm going to be doing a glycerin or melt and pour soap, and this is a fragrance that I've used before, kind of the same colors that I've used before, but I'm going to be doing a design change. In this one, the soap has been popular for me, so we'll see how it goes with the design change. So I have a moon shape already, embed already made. I'm making another one right now. I'm just going to be doing 2 loaves. This will give me 20 bars of soap, 10 bars for each one. I'm using the Peace and Love fragrance from Nuture Soap Supply. I'm going to be doing an ounce of this for both these. It's actually all I have left. I do need to order some more. The scent, I feel, is more on the masculine side. However, it is really popular with everybody. I don't feel, the Peace and Love kind of gives it maybe like a hippie sounding name, but I don't really feel it is that way, but I do feel it's kind of earthy and more on the masculine side. So the colors I'm going to be using is Activated Charcoal from Essential Depot, some blue mica from Crafter's Choice, and then a gray mica from Brambleberry. And I will take advantage of I've got clear, and I also have goat's milk base that I'm going to be doing some. So like some of them I'll get a lighter blue, some I'll get a darker blue. With the clear, obviously you'll get the more intense color of what you're wanting. And then the black will go in the clear. So what I'm going to do, what my goal is kind of to do a drop swirl, like a drop pour, like you would do kind of with cold process. However, when you do it with melt and pour, if you don't have the temperatures right, then it will just blend together. So in this case, I'm okay with a little bit of both. So what I want to do is have part of my batter, warmer batter, I guess it's a batter. I want part of the soap to be warmer than the other, because if you have everything the same temperature, especially if it's hot, then it'll just blend together and you'll just get one solid color. You may get a little bit of flow, but not much. If you want to have more differentiation, then you need to have the base is warmer, and then the part you're going to be drop swirling in to be cooler. So we'll see what happens, but that is my goal for that. So I'm gonna let this finish hardening, then get everything melted separately. This type of soap does take me longer to make than cold process as far as the actual hands-on. So like a cold process, I will melt my oils, get my lye ready, and then I can leave until everything comes to the right temperature. Then I come in here and I'll do it. With the melt and pour soap, because you have to keep heating it up and working with temperatures, it's more hands-on time right here. So it does take, for me, the creation process takes a lot longer, unless you're doing just a simple like one color and one fragrance and pour it, which I don't do that. I try to get some designs in there. So anyway, it does take me quite a bit longer to actually make these soaps because of the amount of time it takes to get everything to the temperature, to get the layers in, or whatever design I'm doing. Wait, because if you pour too soon, you'll break through a layer. If you wait too long, they won't stick together like they're supposed to. So anyway, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get started.